Hi everybody, today I'm going to be doing another video, but this time I'm going to show you how to defeat Metro in WRB World Robot Boxing. So first head over to your upgrade section and then check if you have all of your upgrades upgraded like mine or higher, because this will give you the advantage when fighting him. Now go over to your boost shop and equip the refill health boost, and if you don't have it, go ahead and buy it, so just in case if he gets you really low on health, you can go ahead and heal up. Now you can go ahead and fight him, and you can follow the way how I'm fighting him in the video, or you can fight him your own way.